Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Serger sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Feye FY505 Serger Overlock Machine. While it doesn't have a listed price at the moment, this serger is packed with versatile features designed for sewing enthusiasts. With 2, 3, and 4 thread capability, the FY505 can handle a variety of projects, from delicate fabrics to heavier materials, ensuring professional quality stitching every time. The built-in rolled hem feature makes it easy to achieve fine finishing on edges, making this a strong option for decorative projects. The design is robust thanks to its heavy-duty metal frame. This construction ensures stability and durability, even during extended use. The machine also boasts color-coded thread guides, which simplify the threading process, a common pain point for serger users. Additionally, it comes equipped with a high carbon steel blade for precise cutting, ensuring clean and professional edges. However, the FY505 falls short in terms of stitching speed, maxing out at 1,100 stitches per minute. While this is still decent, it lags behind competitors. Customer reviews also indicate that the threading system, while color-coded, may require a bit more finesse compared to higher-end models. Overall, it's a budget-friendly choice for casual users or beginners who want a sturdy and versatile serger without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have the Serger S1478 Serger, which stands out as the most affordable option on our list at just $259.99. Despite its budget-friendly price, this serger offers impressive versatility with 2, 3, and 4 thread stitch capabilities. It's perfect for creating professional seams, rolled hems, and decorative finishes. The differential feed ensures smooth stitching on a variety of fabric types, from lightweight silks to stretchy knits, without puckering or stretching. The S1478 features an LED light for enhanced visibility and a free arm for sewing hard-to-reach areas like cuffs and sleeves. While the stitching speed of 1,200 stitches per minute is slightly lower than premium models, it's still fast enough for most projects. The included accessory kit, which comes with an all-purpose foot, tweezers, and other essentials, adds significant value to the package. On the downside, the build quality, while decent, doesn't feel as robust as some of the higher-end models on this list. It's lighter in weight, which can lead to minor vibrations during use. Nonetheless, the S1478 is an excellent choice for beginners or hobbyists looking for a reliable and affordable serger to handle everyday sewing tasks. Coming in at number 3 is the Serger X5004 HD Metal Frame Serger. Priced at $319.99, this machine is a step up in durability and versatility. It features a heavy-duty metal frame that ensures stability even when working on thicker fabrics like denim or upholstery. With 2, 3, and 4 thread stitch options and 8 built-in stitches, this serger is designed to handle a wide range of sewing tasks, from basic seams to decorative edges. One standout feature is the larger cutting knife, which is 60% bigger than standard sergers. This makes it especially effective for cutting through thick fabrics while maintaining clean and professional seams. The adjustable differential feed prevents puckering on lightweight fabrics and ensures smooth stitching on stretchy materials. For added convenience, it comes with 2 LED lights, which provide excellent visibility in low-light conditions. While the X5004 HD offers impressive performance, it's on the heavier side at 15.52 pounds, which makes it less portable. Additionally, some users have noted that the learning curve for this model is slightly steeper due to its advanced features. However, for intermediate to advanced sewers who want a durable and versatile serger, this is a fantastic choice. At number 2, we have the Brother 1034D Heavy-Duty Serger, priced at $299.99. This model is a fan favorite, with over 11,900 reviews and a high rating of 4.6 stars. Its durable metal frame and high-performance capabilities make it a reliable choice for a wide range of sewing projects, with a maximum speed of 1,300 stitches per minute. This machine is perfect for users who need to complete projects quickly and efficiently. The Brother 1034D is user-friendly, featuring a color-coded threading system and an easy-to-follow instruction manual. It also comes with 3 accessory feet, including standard, gathering, and blind stitch feet, which add versatility to your sewing projects. The removable trim trap is a handy feature for collecting fabric scraps, keeping your workspace tidy. However, while the 1034D is highly regarded for its performance and durability, it lacks some of the advanced features found in more premium models, such as an extension table or additional lighting. Nonetheless, it's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced sewers who want a reliable and efficient serger at a reasonable price. Finally, at number 1, we have the Brother ST4031HD Strong and Tough Serger, the premium option on our list at $351.22. This model lives up to its name with a durable metal frame and a high-carbon steel blade for precise cutting. It's designed for heavy-duty use, making it ideal for professionals or advanced hobbyists who work with challenging fabrics like denim or canvas. The ST4031HD offers a stitching speed of 1,300 stitches per minute, allowing you to breeze through large projects. It comes with a large extension table, which is perfect for handling bulkier fabrics, and 3 accessory feet for added versatility. The color-coded thread guides make threading straightforward, while the sturdy build minimizes vibrations, ensuring a smooth sewing experience. While the higher price tag may be a drawback for some, the ST4031HD justifies its cost with exceptional performance and durability. It's the top choice for anyone who needs a reliable, heavy-duty serger that can handle demanding projects with ease. If you're serious about sewing, this is the machine to invest in. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.